In this lesson, we're going to look at the all function, which returns true if all items in iterable are true, otherwise it returns false. And an iterable is effectively anything that we can loop over using a for loop. And that includes tuples, of course. And in here we have a simple function that receives an RGB tuple, and then we iterate over this tuple and we check whether each value is between 0 and 255 inclusive. It returns false if they're not and true if they are. So let's make a first function call with these values. They all are within the range, and as you can see, it returns true. All right, so if I will copy that line, so I'll hold Alt, Shift, and press the down arrow. And if I'll change the value of the last element in a tuple to 256, then I will get false because, of course, 256 is beyond the range from 0 to 255. Let's see if we can use the all function to improve the valid RGB function. Function all returns true if all elements supplied to this function are true. In other words, if they satisfy some sort of a condition, like in this case where they're supposed to be within a certain range. All right, then we'll say valid and it equals a list, an empty list, and we're going to use something that's called list comprehension, which we're going to study in depth later in this course. So first we need to specify the condition. We're just going to copy and paste it. So the value is going to be between 0 and 255. And then we need to do the following. We need to say for val in RGB. That will make sure we iterate through the values. So we don't need this if statement anymore. And we also don't need to return true or false. We can just say return all and then in the brackets we supply the valid, our list. So it will automatically return true if everything in that list satisfies the condition and therefore returns true, and false otherwise. You can read that on this little note that pops up. Essentially, we just pass the valid list as an argument to the function all, and that's enough to do the trick. So I'm going to copy this print statements. I'll paste them down below and let's run the code and see whether it works or not. It does. So true and false, the similar results like we did get in with the previous version of the same function. But we could possibly even take it one step further and optimize our function a little bit better. So I'll just copy and paste it here, and then we can ask ourselves, why do we need this valid list and comprehension there if we can put it all inside the all function and effectively create something called a generator? We can actually do everything inside of our all function and get rid of this valid list. And so our valid RGB function looks more compact, but still does the same job. So I'm going to copy and paste the print statements and we'll run the code. And we get the same result. Very nice. So this is how the all function works.